Moreno ES. Moreno ES is a promising 7-year-old gelding descending from a sire and dam that have been successful on American soil. With Aaron Ville, Brittany Hurst and Judy Wells, among others, Dam Indigo ES has achieved good results, while sire Golden Dream has performed successfully up to 1.50 m level under the name Glenn with Jonathan McRae. Moreno ES has inherited the sport genes of his parents and impresses with his great level of carefulness. This lovely grey gelding is still slightly green for his age, but he is progressing quickly and shows great potential for the higher level.